Hello guys, in this video we are going to study about adverse effect following immunization, which is shortly called as AEFI. Right, so there are few AEFIs that are important. Although AEFI is a topic from PSM, not very important for NEETPG or INICET, but a few important things can be asked from it. Right, not extremely important, but it is advised that you remember this topic and go, because if I would be the examiner, I would definitely give a question every alternate year. Right, so starting from paralysis. So paralysis is seen in oral poliovirus, right? Oral poliovirus. Now there are two types of paralysis associated with oral poliovirus, OPV. First one is vaccine associated paralytic poliomyelitis, and the second one is VDPV, vaccine derived paralytic poliomyelitis. VAPP stands for vaccine associated paralytic poliomyelitis and VDPV stands for vaccine derived paralytic poliomyelitis, right? VDPV actually means that the virus is actually derived from the vaccine and that virus causes paralysis, whereas VAPP, vaccine associated paralytic poliomyelitis, means that paralysis has actually occurred from the vaccine. The vaccine didn't become the virus and then caused paralysis. Vaccine actually only caused the paralysis, right? So it is important to remember that which particle actually causes this VAPP and VDPV. P3 particle P3 particle causes VAPP and VDPV is actually caused by P2 particle, right? There are three particles of OPV: P1, P2 and P3, right? P3 causes VAPP and P2 causes VDPV. Extremely important. Then hypersensitivity. And hypersensitivity is mainly caused by hepatitis B. Hypersensitivity is mainly caused by hepatitis B. Shock is also caused by hepatitis B. Now, extremely important, toxic shock syndrome. Toxic shock syndrome is caused by measles, right? Measles may be what important? Measles may be those measles vaccines which are expired, or we have kept it on a non-refrigerated condition outside the cold chain for a very long time, right? If we use those types of vaccine, we opened the vial and kept it for 6 hours, and after 6 hours I gave that vaccine to someone. Now he or she is more prone to develop toxic shock syndrome than other people, right? So measles vaccines causes toxic shock syndrome. GBS is caused by influenza vaccine. Influenza vaccine killed variety, right? Killed, not the live one. Killed variety causes influenza vaccine. It is also very important. Then intersusception, extremely important. Rotavirus vaccine, right? Very important. Fever is caused by pertussis, right? Fever is caused by pertussis. Another thing that is caused by pertussis is HHE, right? Now what does HHE stands for? HHE actually stands for hypotensive hyperresponsive episode. Means the baby will be hypotensive, will be hyperresponsive in an episodic manner, right? So this is called HHE, hypotensive hyperresponsive episode, right? Now persistent inconsolable crying, again pertussis, persistent inconsolable crying. Okay, BCG causes osteomyelitis, extremely important, very very important, right? Lymphadenopathy, again BCG, not very important but still important. Brachial neuritis, extremely important. TT, tetanus toxoid. Thrombocytopenia is caused by MMR, mumps, measles, rubella. And progressive encephalopathy is again pertussis. So pertussis actually causes umbrella things, right? Many things is caused by actually pertussis, so you have to remember it. Lastly, febrile seizures. In febrile seizures is generally it is caused by measles, right? Although the one star marked is actually very important, the rest one are all not very important, but still it is advised that you remember. Pertussis causes fever, pertussis causes HHE, pertussis causes persistent inconsolable crying, and pertussis causes progressive encephalopathy. So this is everything, guys. Thank you.